So we're here today at Holiday Resort Unity in Burnham-on-Sea, Somerset, on their amazing golf club development, Brean Country Club. So us at Ramtech have been supplying Holiday Resort Unity for over 14 years our WISE product, which is a security alarm for holiday homeowners. We install our alarms in every sale that goes through at Holiday Resort Unity and every caravan and lodge, especially on this exclusive development of Brean Country Club. So it's great that Holiday Resort Unity believe in our wireless technology and install the alarms in every holiday, caravan and lodge sale. So if you'd like more information to install our products at one of your parks, click the link below.